Well, I guess we can start. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, we about to open this package. I got Bay right here. Hey, nice merchandise. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna open this up. Got the package. Took about a week and a half. I paid $15 for it. And yeah, we're just about to see what it looks like. See? Got this. Use the sticker to secure, seal the box before mailing. So we're gonna secure the box once, yeah. We got a little pamphlet.
We're gonna read this stuff. Hello, it's not a we believe that everybody deserves smile. They love making your impression. So we gotta read this sheet. Excuse me, mother. So we got the little tea trays. We got the little putties we gotta mix together. We're gonna do that.
We back in this thing, y'all. So we about to read this pamphlet. See what's going on.
Purple putties. 4 purple putties. Cups and 4 red putties. You mix the green with the purple to make impressions. Impressions tray 4. They help you hold the putty. Okay. Smile stretcher. That's this. And then gloves. Things we have to say.
Yeah, they fit.
I didn't know it's a brown.
Shit, I don't know. It just got medium.
Man.
It just got medium on all of them. So this is what we supposed. Okay, you guys, it's been an hour and we're back. Okay, so
back.
You want to do it? Or you want to do it? Okay.
I mean, you bought it up.
I'm putting the gloves on, y'all. Oh, hold on. We'll be back, y'all.
Somebody brushed their teeth. Just keep it still.
All right, y'all, we back. That shit funny. Okay, y'all. So I was brushing my teeth, trying to get right. So I'm gonna put these tight ass gloves on.
Get right.
Excuse me, Mom. I'm gonna put these gloves on. Okay. So where's my phone? Make sure. I'm trying to see how many minutes I have just to make sure the whole. You got to hold it for a certain amount of time.
Mix this dope, man. Come on, man.
And I ain't trying
You doing
to.
me?
Okay. Here's the what? Purple putty.
Smiley guy.
Once I open it, I need to hurry up. And here's the gray putty. And basically, come on. I'm rolling together. Yeah, this what we looking like. That thing missing on that side. I'm trying his butt to get straight. I think I did a pretty good job. Hey. That was alright. So what I'm gonna do next is come back, do all of them, and then come back. Just gonna do that 3 more times, and yeah, we'll be back with this thingy. Okay?
Top and bottoms.
We'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back. About to open this package. Let's see. What's it called? The Smile Sketcher. Supposed to take 3 photos. Closed teeth bite, lower teeth, and upper teeth. It at least gonna assist me with taking photos. So, closed teeth bite. Okay. Lower teeth. And then upper teeth. And then you're done. There you go. Okay, then we're gonna put all these things back in the box, seal it with this. And then I guess we'll be back with an update. Right? And then after that, then he's gonna get his. Then we gonna go to what? What's that man with deficiencies? Dr.
Dr. Rose.
Yeah, Dr. Rose. We trying to be like this and that. Be hey, me and Dr. Smile. Ah. Alright, y'all. Until next time, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, yeah, I'll keep y'all updated on everything. I guess these some of the people. I seen him on the commercial. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's about it.
All right.
Till next time. Bye.